Rolling in riches. Understanding the phrase, rolling in it. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into a popular English idiom that you might have heard in movies, songs, or in everyday conversation, rolling in it. Stick with us to discover what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, rolling in it, is an informal way to say that someone is extremely wealthy or has a lot of money. Imagine money piled up so high that one could literally roll around in it like a child in snow. That's the vivid picture this phrase paints in our minds. The origin of rolling in it isn't clear-cut, but it's believed to be a metaphorical expression that dates back several decades. It plays on the imagery of abundance and excess, suggesting that someone has more money than they know what to do with. Let's look at how to use this idiom in sentences. After her app went viral, she was rolling in it. I hear he won the lottery and is now rolling in it. With their new contract, the company is really rolling in it. Notice how the phrase can be used to talk about both individuals and groups. There are a few variations of the phrase that you might come across. Rolling in dough, rolling in money. These variations all maintain the same meaning and can be used interchangeably. We hope you enjoyed learning about the phrase, rolling in it. Now you can confidently add this expression to your English vocabulary and impress your friends with your idiomatic knowledge. Remember, language learning is a treasure that can make you feel like you're rolling in intellectual riches. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.